Hello, hello, hello sa lahat ng Gemini. Magandang araw, welcome back. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so for today, gawin natin ang inyong weekly love reading para sa araw ng February 16 to 22. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Gemini who are supporting my channel. At sa mga bago, please, supportahan nyo na rin po by liking this video at syempre by subscribing to this channel para updated kayo sa mga hanash. Sa mga susunod pang love reading. Comment na rin kayo below kung mag-resonate. And share nyo na rin sa mga kilalang Gemini na nangangailangan ng guidance. Okay, sige. Tingnan natin yung overall energy ng reading. Second card for February. Inspiration. Uy, inspired. Mukhang inspired kayo. Pagdating sa love. Sige, or merong nagbibigay sa inyo ng inspirasyon. Pero sige, alamin natin yung detalye using tarot cards. And bakit ba yan ang nasagap na overall energy ng reading nito. At habang binabalasa ko ang cards, I hope na mag-resonate itong reading. At kung hindi, huwag nating pilitin kasi collective reading to. So, it may or may not resonate, diba? So, kung hindi mag-resonate, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang reading. Baka energy na ninyo ang masagot ko. Okay? Sige. So, tingnan natin yung tayo, second card. Two of Coins. Justice. Oh, Ten of Swords. Eight of Coins. Oh, Ace of Swords. Five of Coins. Page of Swords. Oh, Nine of Cups. Six of Coins. And Temperance card. Okay. See. So, your reading starts with Justice and ends with Temperance. Merong strong energy ng Libra at ng Sagittarius. So, pwedeng yun yung signs ng person ninyo. What doesn't have to, yun na yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay? Sige. So, alamin natin ang mga kaganapan sa inyong love reading. So, si Two of Coins. Okay. So, may mga priorities lang kayo at at the moment, merong nagbibigay sa inyo ng inspirasyon, pero parang hindi nyo pa siya priority. Okay? And siguro may iba kang priorities, malalaman natin habang unti-unti natin ina-unfold ang storya. So, okay. And yeah, so yun na, gusto mo sana na magkaroon ng balance when it comes to your life. Okay, as shown here by the Justice card as well. So it's like, it's a Libra energy, diba? So yung scales, parang it should be balanced. And in your life, at the moment, gusto mo muna na parang magkaroon ng balance sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay mo. Kaya medyo wini-weigh mo pa kung i-entertain mo itong love na nagbibigay sa iyo ng inspiration. Pero happy ka, syempre, di ba? Sino bang, di ba, pag may nagpapakita or nag-express ng pagkagusto sa inyo, di ba? Sino bang hindi matutuwa? Pero, you're using this also, yung love na to, or yung attention na nakukuha mo, to inspire you to do better, to be better, to ma-motivate ka pa to make sure na balance lahat yung financial aspect ng life mo, yung emotional aspect, mental and physical aspects of your life. Okay? Kasi bakit may ganito kang notion na parang hindi ko muna priority ang love? Kasi in the past masyado kang nasaktan. Ay, ayun. So, as shown here by the Ten of Swords, parang yung past relationship mo kasi, nag-fail siya and na-hurt ka masyado. So, parang, teka muna. Parang gusto mo munang magpahinga from relationships. Okay? Yeah. Pero very dedicated tong tao na to sa'yo, and this person will really put an effort, okay, to really give you more inspiration. But makikita din dito sa Ace of Swords na magkakaroon din sa'yo ng mental clarity. Parang mapapaisip ka rin na sige nga, i-try ko, parang magsimula nga ako ulit. Okay? Parang, okay, you were hurt in the past, pero in your mind, gusto mo magsimula ulit. So, Ace of Swords is about the thoughts, also about the what's in your mind. But at the moment, parang dito sa Five of Coins, you still parang you're not so into it. Kasi parang Five of Coins is a card of isolation din. Parang yun nga, hindi mo siya priority. So you're not so into it, pero in your mind, gusto mo. Okay? And in your mind din, gusto mo na mag-move forward to. Parang in your mind, gusto mo naman din siyang magtuloy-tuloy, mag-proceed. Ayaw mo rin namang mawala tong person na to. Pero may mga alinlangan ka lang. However, in the pinapakita dito sa Nine of Cups na you'll have this satisfaction na parang after mong decide na whatever you want to do when it comes to the connection, this connection is giving you na so much inspiration in your parang kontento ka na doon muna at the moment, diba? Kasi Nine of Cups is a card of contentment din, na parang happy na muna ako na nabibigyan niya ako ng inspiration, pero parang ayaw mo muna mag-commit. Okay? So, pero gusto mo naman din talaga to and very grateful ka sa tao na to kasi binibigyan ka nga niya ng inspiration, shown here by the Six of Coins. So hindi mo naman siya yung parang hindi mo na-appreciate. Sobrang na-appreciate mo actually itong person na to, and very grateful ka na nandyan siya para sa iyo to give you inspiration. However, you just really need time for time to ponder on it, to meditate on it. kailangan mo muna siyang pag-isipan. Kaya gusto mo din talaga, kasi temperance is also balance. Balance, balance, balance. Parang gusto mo munang balansehin yung lahat sa buhay mo bago ka mag-jump into the relationship. Okay? Sige. So, sige, tingnan natin yung clarify nga natin. Ano yung hurt na nangyari sa inyo in the past? Kaya medyo, guarded ka ngayon. Second card. Oh, King of Pentacles. So, King of Pentacles is a card of faithfulness. So, I guess, kaya sobrang na-hurt ka in the past na may nanloko sa'yo. Okay, pero, now that this person is there for you, sige, enjoy mo na nga lang muna yung company niya and yung inspirasyon na binibigay sa inyo. Use it also for yourself to heal. Maging inspirasyon din yun for you to heal and nasubukan muli. So, let's seal this whole reading with another oracle card. Tranquility. Ayan. Tranquility is also like having peace, which is also depicted here by the Temperance card. Okay? Yung alam mo yun, walang masyadong iniisip, very peaceful lang. Okay? So, I hope this reading resonates. So, if it does, comment na lang below to claim this energy, tranquility, and inspiration. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Kita-kits muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. In short, na miss mo. Ingat!